So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn brushy yellow hair at home with the color mask. So I will show you with rose gold hair color step by step. So you know, when you have brushy orange or the hair you hate it, just think about, even it's not locked down, but think about how you can refresh your hair without spend a lot of money to go to hairdresser. What happened? If your hairdresser closed or sick or cannot do for you, think about that something and do that for yourself. The key is if you learn how to taking care your hair, so it save your time and save your money as well. But the key is give you a fully confident with what you have to do for your hair. So to me, I would like to share with you a lot of tips and trick for you to taking care properly. Step by step, how to apply the color mask to turn rose gold color. Also, I will show you how to curl your hair without heat in this video. If you have balayage or foil done, then the color is fade, it's turned brushy. So what should you do? I share with my client how to turn brushy hair to rose gold hair color at home. She asked,
Giang, I've come to you today for my hair concerns. So my first hair concern is I got the bleaching done on my hair. So my hair looks like this. It's kind of brassy and dry and frizzy. And so first thing is I don't want to have some harsh, bleach done to my hair again. Different in terms of color and also do a bit of styling. And I want to learn how I can do it at my own self, at my own home, because considering the lockdown situation, we don't know whether it's going to get extended for 3 months, 6 months. So it would be really great if you can help me with these two things today.
so I'm going to mix the color. I use 3 spoons of conditioner and 1 spoon of the red color. If you want kind of very light and pastel look, so you can mix like more conditioner and less red, like 9 parts of conditioner and 1 part of red. So before you apply the color mask on, to make it easy, I suggest you section the hair first. So just make it easy, just do 3 horizontal sections like that. Put it away. And this one, put it away. That 3 horizontal sections and then clip it down. So what I suggest, okay, when you apply this on, just do on dry hair. So this is 1 red color and 3 conditioner. So divide in 3 horizontal sections and apply the color mask on. Put on where you have the light hair and comb through. When you finish, wait for 15 to 30 minutes and then you go to shampoo your hair as usual. Right fringe, so I suggest Jo today I change her different look a little bit with the fringe. So what I'm thinking I would do the side fringe, which is like, because Jo hair is kind of a little bit frizzy, so if put like up like that, it look more frizzy. So how to make it less frizzy? Also, it gives really nice balance with the face look. So what I think, I will change different side of fringe. So I will do like side fringe like that. and it's just a little bit short from here and go down like that way. So first I make it a little bit softer. Can you turn that side for me? So why I think this fringe is look good for Joe, because the first of all I say it's less frizzy. The secondly, to me what I think is when I cut this, the first is cut a little bit like your face, is make your face look nice, balanced and smaller. The secondly, when you need to put your hair up, you still have something around in your face. It just make you feel look like I say, it's give your face shape is look more balanced and look much nicer. For example, like I put like that, and it still have a little bit on your face brown. So what I can see like that, even you not need to do anything, you still look good. Okay, now you can look at the mirror, have a look.
Yeah, it's looking nice.
It's look
Yeah.
different. The first thing. Right, so I'm going to show you how to give a little bit soft way without heat.
Okay.
So you do that before you go to bed.
Okay.
So you use this to roll like that, and then you roll the top and the bottom. So I show you how to do that. So remember that is your fringe, okay? Just take the section from your ear, behind your ear here, and then take up to here. That is the top section. So what you do is just move all that, the hair up. It doesn't matter if you can get some of your fringe, that's all okay. So hair with your finger. Then use that roll. Put it like a quarter to 1/3 of the length of your hair. Hold the end, wrap it around. Don't twist like that. Don't twist your hand. Just wrap it around and use that and wrap it again. So just make sure the end of this hair is under of this hair. It's not when you roll it, it's flick out like that. It's not good. When it's flick out like that, so you will see the hair is really like messy. You know, it's messy and it's very frizzy at the end as well. So make sure you just have to put it under. That's it.
Oh, really?
It's look like that. So when you roll it on the back, if this is not tight enough, you just twist this like this, and then it make a little bit tight so it's not fold out. Yeah, like that. And this fold, that's fine. And then like this and go to bed. Sleep. take the roll out. Look at that. You see how wavy it looks? And then what I need is divide this hair into sections like that. The hair off, then what I need you to do is divide your hair in two sections like this on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Twist it into toward in your face like that way, and in this side just twist. Then now you find where you part like your fringe before. I part like that side and then you just move the hair around where you like. So basically this is how the hair is look like when you just roll your hair before you go to bed, and then when you wake up, and then the hair is look like that. So you can see it's basically the hair is get into the shape, it's a little bit volume texture and a little bit wavy like that. So when you take it off, and then you make sure you have to twist it toward in your face, and then you can do like that way. So this is with no heat. When you do like that before you go to bed, and then you wake up, your hair is look like that. So this is how this, like I say, the first of all is less frizzy and fluffy your hair is, right, Joe? The second leg is look properly styled. This is how the professional
looks
when you need to go to work, or when you wake up and your hair is ready like that. Which is, I say, it's super easy and it's not hard.
That's true.
Just do that every night before you go to bed. Do that, and then wake up, just do the right technique, which is what I just shared. And then that is, you just already know how to less fluffy and how to make your look like that. And I think that is just basically the everyday look you want that. So it's just much easier for you.
That's true.
Yeah.
Really good. I think, you know, this hairstyle for face mask, the hair mask was really good. I think it just took away that brassiness.
Yeah. Okay, when you already have like texture and a little bit wavy on it, so you very easy to make a little bit up style for yourself. So I show you. So what I need is just the hair tie, a little hair tie, and then the two bobby pin, and then just the two U-pin. That's it. So what I'm going to do, I hold this hair on the back like that, hold a little bit loose. I use the hair tie. I tie it, wrap it around, and then tie it like that. So I keep the end in there, and then what I need to do is just I pull that a little bit out. I want in here a little bit texture. I pull it out like that, pull it out. A little bit, keep in here a little bit. And in here, I like a little bit messy. So, and then this one, I just pull like that. Then I use the first bobby pin. Scoot in there. One. And the next one under here. I pull it out a little bit more, and then I use another U-pin. I just make sure it stay in there for whole day. I put it in, and this one again, just put it under here. and then just make a little bit loose. Sometimes I just want a little bit out, like that. Because sometimes the hair is short, it can be a little bit messy, that's fine. So if you don't want it, you can use a bobby pin, you just clip it in. And if you don't like it too messy, so don't make it too loose. So, but to me, I like a little bit look like natural. So that's it. So just basically move a little bit like that. And then basically you already have a little bit like that. But the thing is just, it doesn't annoy you. It doesn't make you feel, this is how Jolo. This is how does she look when she put the hair is back like that. And then it still give you really nice look and professional and clean look. So can you turn around, Joe, please? Yeah, this is just kind of a little bit messy look. So how do you feel with that?
Oh, I feel too good. The color and the styling, and without any heat, without any styling spray, without anything, it's just come out perfect.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Giang.
Thank you. So now you know. So I
hopefully do it at home.
You can do that at home. That's right. Do that by yourself, and then
practice.
You can practice. Keep practice, and then you can get there. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
There we go. Now you know how to apply color mask to change different hair color at home. Also, you know how to overnight curl, so you have save your time, and also you know quickly up style for your hair if you need. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friend and family. So thank you so much for watching.